to my YouTube channel. Today I will share how to make the simple but tasty chicken barbecue with my own recipe. Of course, delicious and healthy, and also practice. Please watch this video from beginning until the end, and please subscribe, like, and give me feedback. Thank you everyone. These all the ingredients I will use it for today. Let's start with the whole chicken meat like this, and little bit star anise, and 2 pieces of fresh garlic, and the ingredients of chicken. Chicken ingredients, you can find that in the supermarket close to your home, or in every supermarket they sell this. And little bit olive oil like this, little bit sweet soya sauce, ketchup manis with Netherlands ketchup manis, okay, and little bit salt and little bit pepper. Okay, let's start. First, has to do like this. Don't forget to wash the whole chicken first, and I will make little bit slices like this. The whole chicken, because I will put the ingredients later in this whole chicken to make the more juicy, tasty, and delicious. Okay. Do you know in all the meat is contained with protein? Protein with the Netherlands they call it eiwit. It's good for the cell, for all your body. Okay. Like this, and then star anise I will put it here first in the chicken to give the good flavor. Yes. And this, and then a little bit pepper, okay, olive oil like this, olive oil, olive oil is healthy, it's good for your blood circulation, same like and the garlic also really good to make your blood pressure normal. Salt, a little bit salt, and chicken ingredients ready to use. Okay, and then sweet soya sauce, ketchup manis, sweet soya sauce. Okay, it's about like this, 2 tablespoons. That's more than enough. Okay, so mix it. And then all over is the chicken, on the chicken. Look, the smell is good. is same like I marinate the chicken before I put it in the microwave. Don't forget this part. The color is beautiful, huh? Nice color, and will be delicious too. And I put it a little bit inside in the chicken, and then I will turn it the chicken because I want to put all the ingredients here. Make sure all the ingredients here and this all over. You add all over the whole chicken. Okay. It's simple, right? Simple, easy, of practice, and delicious. I'm sure everyone have a microwave at home, so it's more easy. Now in Belgium is cold, will be prepared for winter, so it's not possible to do the barbecue outside. So this is the way I do, like the barbecue chicken, but in microwave. Look, you see, nice color, huh? Look, okay, then turn it around, and then this ready, and I will put it in microwave. It's ready to put in the microwave. To cover it, put it in microwave for 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, 60 minutes. The chicken in microwave for 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour like this, and I will cover it. Okay, it's easy, right? Okay. From the oven, because look, it's ready. So it's okay now. So this is the result after take it out from the oven. Look, oh, looks so yummy, right? This is ready. The chicken is ready. Just out from the microwave. Oh, looks so delicious. Simple, delicious, and healthy. My homemade recipe, Inang Belgium. So easy, right? This recipe, simple, easy, and tasty, and also healthy. Thank you for watching my video today. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to give me a feedback on the comment column. And let me know what you like me to prepare for next video, which recipe. Okay, thank you. And bye for now. Have a great day, everyone.